Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I'm not working on my truck, but I'm actually going to meet somebody. A while back, my friends that own Xterra as well, they gave me those rims. I really like that design of rims, it's better than what I had. And recently, unfortunately, they had an accident with their truck, with their Xterra, and unfortunately it's not drivable anymore. It's total. So I'm going to meet them and they have something special for me. So I think by the end of the video the truck will look very different. So now I'm just gonna get in the truck and start driving. It's a few hours of drive, but I'm very excited. I'm sad and excited at the same time. I'm sad that they lost the truck, but excited to see what they have for me. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be filming over there anything. They asked me to remain anonymous, so I have to respect that. But once I get there and I leave, I'm gonna show you and tell you guys everything what happened there. So stay tuned. I hope you guys gonna like it as well, what we're gonna find there and what we're gonna get. And I'm getting ready for a trip. I took some stuff out from the back. I took my shelf out, I loaded with some tools and with some tarps. I folded my seats and I removed this half of a seat to have more space for potentially something laying over here across. I think I'm ready. I'm ready to head out. So let's take a look one more time at the truck, how it looks now, because I believe after today's trip it's gonna have significant changes. At least I hope so. Yeah. Alright guys.
Destination is on the left.
How's it going, guys? Thank you. Hey guys, so I'm just over here right now. People ask me not to film over there, so I stepped to the side. This is not my truck, of course. My truck is over there, getting loaded with some stuff. Oh my god, if you only guys see, just wait until you see what I got. You're gonna be amazed. I'm still amazed and speechless. Alright guys, finally I got back home. Well, that was some crazy drive with so much traffic today, but anyways, I'm still a little bit shocked from what I got. So what was given to me, I have most of it loaded up in the back of my truck, so let me open it up and show it to you guys. Well, it's actually kind of hard to see with all the stuff just in there, but let me actually take it all of it out and I'm gonna show you what's in there, what I brought. Alright guys, so I got everything out, just laid over here in front of the garage, and let me show you all the stuff that I got. So first of all, I got this floor mat for the rear. I did not even have that one, so that's pretty great. That's pretty great. I also got the WeatherTech floor mats for the front and for the back. That's amazing. I really like these floor mats. They really look good. So on top of that, I also got this rack shelf that I can mount on my roof. It also has all the hardware and the clamps. It's just not here. They're in another box. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I'm really excited to see how I can modify my current ladder rack. But that's not all, guys. That's not all. Look what else I got. I got a full set of rack sliders. Look at these guys. I was planning to build my own, you know, that's why I got the welder and everything. But now I have this. Cannot wait to put them on. Cannot wait to put them on. This is just amazing. But it doesn't stop here. On top of that, actually I was working on making my DIY skid plates. I have a couple of videos working on it. But look at these guys. I got a full set of skid plates. I got a full set of armor for underneath. I mean, I was working and making my own skid plates. Some of them came out pretty good, I think. Some of them are not. I will have videos on that later. But now I have a full set of skid plates. This is just amazing and unbelievable. This is just unbelievable. Another thing I got this net especially for the Xterras, which goes over here. That's pretty cool. I really like it. And I also picked up this console because all I just have the light. I don't have this. So this is gonna be a good project as well to work on. To replace my just simple light over there for this. Wow, that was such a trip, and this is just unbelievable. And I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to those people that gave me. It's sad that they lost their Xterra, but thank you so much. It's just unbelievable. I'm still all excited. What else? Did I forget something? Oh, and I almost forgot something else. That I got something else. Look, just look at this. A bumper. I got a bumper for my truck. This is unbelievable. I'm still speechless. Just look at this bumper, guys. I cannot believe it. I got all of this. I was thinking and planning sometimes try to make my own bumper. I don't know how strong or weak it will come out, but look at this, guys. I got a bumper now as well. This is unbelievable. And yeah, that's over there. That's my DIY skid plates that I was working. But I don't know, I might modify this to reach over here and just interconnect it, or just they use a skid plate that comes with this bumper. I still don't know that. What do you guys think? I still have metal left over, so probably wouldn't be too hard for me to just extend this, either weld it or bolt it, either or. But this is amazing, guys. This is amazing, simply amazing. So there is gonna be a lot more videos to come with all the new stuff that I got, that I'm gonna be putting on. The current skid plates that I'm probably gonna be modifying, changing it. I still don't know if I'm gonna put a new skid plates at the front, or I'm gonna try and test my skid plates just to see if all my work was worth it, if these skid plates gonna protect me or not. But I hope you guys are happy for me as well, the way I am happy. This is unbelievable. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoying these videos. I hope you're finding them helpful. And as always, until next time, everybody, bye.